Hello friends, this is Tejas, the co-founder director of IIPC India. Once again I'm back with a new story for you. In last story we had discussed something about the pandemic and lockdown and how you can rebuild your lives back after this COVID-19 situation. So today again we are going to discuss a small story about Choluteca River as well as the Choluteca Bridge. The main center of attraction is Choluteca Bridge. Now Choluteca is a small river in the city of Honduras in Central America. Now this river, in fact the Honduras city is very well known for its notorious hurricanes and storms. So in early 1930s, the United States America Army Engineering Corps had built a bridge, but that bridge later on collapsed due to the hurricane. Later on, they decided to build a new bridge over the river in Choluteca in 1996. They wanted to ensure that it should withstand with the extreme weather conditions. A Japanese firm was contracted and they built a solid bridge designed to withstand with the powerful forces of nature. The new Choluteca Bridge was a modern day marvel design and engineering was thrown open to the public in 1998, and it became a pride for the people in Honduras as well as in Choluteca. Okay. Later on, as the build was open for the public, in the same year in the month of October, a hurricane named Mitch hit the Honduras and it created a huge disaster. There was approximately 75 inches of rain and only in 4 days, which was very much equivalent to a 6 months rainfall in Choluteca as well as in Honduras. The disaster was so vast that approximately you can say 7,000 people lost their lives. Everything in Honduras was destroyed. All the bridges were destroyed, but except Choluteca Bridge, it remained unaffected. But there was a problem. While the bridge was intact, the road leading to it and the road leaving it both were swept away, leaving no sign that there was once a road there. And that's not all. The flooding forced the river Choluteca to change the course. It created a new channel and the river now flowed beside the bridge and not under the bridge. Okay, so while the bridge was strong enough to survive the hurricane, it became a bridge over nothing, a bridge to nowhere. It happened 22 years ago. But the lesson which we learned from this incident is relevant to us today than ever before. The world is changing in ways we have never imagined. And the Choluteca Bridge is a terrific metaphor for what can happen to us, our careers, our business, our lives, as the world around us gets transformed. So adapt to change. Or else, as you look at your career, think again before you take one more course that makes you even more of an expert in your area of specialization. That role, that expertise might soon become redundant. Before spending money on refurbishing your old office, take a pause. Think of opening more and more branches in every nook and corner of the country. Think again. Physical offices could soon be a thing of past. The challenge for us is that we get focused on creating the best solution to the given problem. We forget that problem itself might change in future. We are focusing on building the strongest and most sophisticated product and service without thinking of the possibility that the need could vanish in future. The market could change. We focus on the bridge and ignore the possibility that the river beneath could change the course and flow through a new channel. Think about that. Build to last might have been a popular mantra, but build to adapt could be the way to go. So friends, myself being in this education industry from last 9 to 11 years, even I have seen a drastic change after this corona effect. Initially, the Indian mentality of students was not at all to learn online. Everybody wanted a classroom training, a physical training. They wanted a trainer to be in front of them. But now this corona has taught a very good lesson, that the story which I shared with you right now, that was about adaptability and adapt to change. Okay, so in terms of career, now people are moving more over to the online courses where they don't need any kind of infrastructure. So even people who are looking out for very good courses, we are launching with a new e-learning system, okay, on 15th of August, where we are going to provide never before features of e-learning management system. You might want to add a picture of Choluteca bridge to the paintings that adorn the walls of your office, to remind you to build a business and a career that can adapt to change. Else you could be left with the Choluteca bridge, a superb bridge over nothing to nowhere. So friends, this was a small story. I hope I have conveyed my message to everyone in a very short, a small span of time. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening to this story. So stay tuned to my channel. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and please share your comments on it. Thank you so much.